Easy English practice.
Hey, I didn't expect to see you here tonight.
I know, right? I almost didn't make it, but I'm glad I did. How about you?
Same. I wasn't sure, but a few friends convinced me to come.
Well, it's a good thing they did. You having a good time?
Yeah, it's been fun so far. The music's great, and the food isn't bad either.
I agree. I just tried those appetizers, and they're really good.
Oh yeah? I'll have to grab some. So, what have you been up to lately?
Mostly work, but I've been trying to squeeze in some fun. What about you?
Same. Work's been busy, but I'm trying to balance it out. Have any big plans this weekend?
Not really. I might take it easy. Maybe catch up on some Netflix. You?
That sounds nice. I'm thinking about going hiking if the weather's good.
That's awesome. I've been meaning to get outdoors more. Where do you usually hike?
There's a trail about an hour from here. It's got great views.
I'd love to check that out sometime. Maybe we could go together?
Yeah, that'd be fun. Let me know when you're free.
Will do. Anyway, I'm going to grab a drink. Want one?
Sure, thanks. I'll come with you.
All right, come with me. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.